Yet we have another rocket of the day, and today's rocket of the day is the AIM 54A Phoenix missile. This is a Phoenix missile fired from American fighters, and it is a tremendous rocket, a great flyer. This one I fly on F-44 motors. This is actually part of I guess it would call it was an ugly duckling collection. If you check past videos, I had a group of rockets I had purchased, and this was one of the ones that was all beat and messed up, and I just restored it, got new decals, made it all nice, and since it's had many flights on it on F-44s. Like I said, it's a tremendous flyer on F motors. The only way to go with this one is on F motors with nylon system, nylon parachute and everything up top. It's a great flyer, great rocket. A little underpowered the way they come. I think they recommend D12-3s. You have to build it really light though. This one I just built it all out, filled in a lot of gaps and paint and stuff, laid all the paint I needed on it, and it flies great on F-44 motors, the Aerotech composites. And this is today's rocket of the day, the AIM 9 Phoenix missile.